Today I decided to review the top 5 best camping cookware for family. I made this list based on my personal opinion and trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started. At number 1, KingCamp. Food grade material. Made of safe, non-toxic aluminum with non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Hard anodized aluminum provides fast heating, high temperature resistant, heat-resistant handles to keep your fingers safe from the heat. Complete family cookware sets, ideal for family. 2 extra pots, to let to cook more or multiple dish on the same time. Collapsible bundle design, let your compact camping mess kit nest together and save a lot of space in your backpack. Ideal gift for camper lovers, gift for anyone's bug-out bag for disaster preparedness, firefighters, campers, travelers and explorers. Included accessories. Part to know more, check description below. Number 2. Lightweight and compact design. This camping cookware kit is a nesting and folding combination. Small size and portable, all the objects in this cooking set can be stored together in a mesh bag. Thermally insulated plastic handles, keep your fingers safe from the heat. Non-stick cooking set. Each piece has a non-stick Teflon coating for easy cleaning and durability. Number 3. Overmont. High strength made by anodic oxidation process. The aluminum metal has a stable protective layer on the surface. Suitable for 1 to 3 people use. Designed especially for camping and hiking cooking. Small but practical. Number 4. Bulin. Food grade material. Made of safe, non-toxic aluminum with non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Heat-resistant handles to keep your fingers safe from the heat. Save a lot of space in your backpack. Everything is very handy. Ideal gift for camper lovers. Customer satisfaction ensure. Number 5. Aoduoer. Durable, lightweight and sturdy. Camping bowls and soup spoon are made of BPA-free, food-grade plastic, safe and eco-friendly. Hard anodized aluminum construction for fast and even heating, high or low temperature resistant. Compact and easy to carry. All 13-piece camping cooking set can be stored together in a drawstring bag for saving space and easy carry. Customer satisfaction ensure. So if you're looking for quality and price, then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these backpacking cookware, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below, and if you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.